Page 39, looking at two more examples of finding the equation given the graph. We start, of course, with y equals. Now we're looking for halfway. We're looking for the maximum. You can see that's 25. The minimum down here at -5. So working at halfway, we've got 25 plus another 5 is 30. Half of 30 is 15, so if we count down 15 from the top, 5, 10, 15, you can see that halfway is going to happen here at 10. We'll put our assumed axis in there. So I can see that my curve has been moved up 10. The axis that is normally at 0 is now at 10. The amplitude is clearly 15, plus 15 minus 15, so the amplitude is 15. The curve starts here and moves up, once again because it's starting not on the axis but at a maximum or minimum value. It's come from a cosine curve. Cosine normally starts at the top and goes down. This is starting at the bottom and going up, so it must be a negative cosine curve. And at this stage we'll just fill in the b for now while we work out b. So b equals 2 pi divided by the new period, we'll call it NP for new period. So let's find out a period of this. The amount for one cycle, one complete cycle finishes about here. It's not very clear from our graph, certainly on the screen here, but I think we'll use the value of 18 because it will make the maths nice. So we're going to assume that the period for one cycle is 18. So this will equal 2 pi over 18. You can use that value or simplifying. 2's into that go once, 2's into that go 9, 1 pi over 9 or just pi over 9. So we'll go back to our formula now. We'll erase the b and we'll put in the pi over 9. Right, just clearing some space, looking at the next one. The maximum is up here at 10. Minimum value is not very clear on here. I'm going to use a value of -6 on the screen. It's not very easy to see. Y equals halfway between 10 and -6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Divided by 2 is 8. So if we go down 8 from the top, 6, 7, 8, we'd be at a value of 2. So we'll put in our axis at 2. So it becomes +2. Now we need to go up and we need to go down. So the amplitude is going to be 8. Now deciding whether it's cosine or a sine, we're starting here and we're going up. Sine curves start on the axis there, at the axis, so I can see it's a sine. Put in the variable and we'll put in the b in front for now. Right, back to our formula here. B equals 2 pi over the new period. We need to work out a period, starting here. One complete cycle brings me, and we'll assume of course that that's a value of 3. So b is going to equal 2 pi divided by 3. And of course this is 2/3 of a pi. 2 pi divided by 3 is 2/3 of a pi. Can't simplify it any further. So now we'll come back over to our formula, erase the b, and we'll put in 2 pi over 3. So you need to have another look at those.